Our brain chemistry is basically rigged against us for our love of instant gratification and excitement. EVERUP is a new type of money account which rewards you for saving. Join the EVERUP movement and make saving fun.
Oh hi! Remember us? Well, we remember you. Thanks to you, EVERUP has gone from strength to strength as we continue building the EVERUP Rewards ecosystem. A year ago, you helped us bring to market our first product, Save, Play, Win. You saved with your EVERUP account and were rewarded with virtual coins to play our free games with. Thousands of customers have now enjoyed using our app to win tax-free cash and all sorts of other prizes with our raffles, lotto, mini games and scratch cards, all without ever risking a penny of their own money. But did it work?
Well, since our launch, we've had 300,000 entries in our lotto and 60 million entries in our raffles. Every month, customers play 350,000 mini games and use more than 2 billion virtual coins. They're now saving up to 5 figures in their EVERUP accounts.
So why are we back? We're ready to tackle the next chapter in making EVERUP a bigger part of people's everyday lives. We're launching the UK's first gamified crypto reward debit card, which turns every payment you make from your EVERUP account into an opportunity for more exciting rewards, including a full refund on your purchase. Feeling left out of the cryptocurrency revolution? Or just want an easier way of getting into the most appreciated asset in the last 10 years?
If you use our card to pay for your regular shop, you can earn rewards in major cryptocurrencies and NFTs.
Oh, thank you. With EVERUP, accumulating digital rewards has never been easier or more fun.
EVERUP is your money boosted. But not only that, EVERUP will also be your metaverse boosted. What do we mean by that, and what's next for us? We are launching our first 3D game and NFTs collectibles to become a community powered by a player-owned economy, members of which actually own the assets they use in our games. So, join us in building the future of gamified money.